So I'm going to start by manipulating this text, and to change any text, all you need to do is click on what you'd like to change, and you can highlight your text, and anything that you need to change can be changed up here in this box for the most part. So I can manipulate it by changing the font, which I'll change it to this, and I can change the color, and I can make it bold, unbold, and I can change the size. I can do pretty much anything that I would like. If I want to create text, I click on this little A up here, and I can draw a text box. So if I want to say by Miss Kinder, I can do that, and I can click on this arrow and just move it down here. I can change the size, again, make it smaller, and pretty much do anything that I'd like to do. So that's how you manipulate and create text. If you want to create an image, you can go to Insert, and then you can do Picture, and then you can do a picture from your file, and so you just save it from Images, or you can insert clip art and other types of pictures. And so once you insert that, then you can just click on it just like your text and move it around. And as you can see, you can rotate stuff as much as you want, do whatever you'd like. And so once you're done with that, then you always want to save, and so you go and you click Save As, and then you can title it, I'll title mine Fractions, and then you just click Save, and then the next thing is backing up your gallery and adding keywords. And so what that means is, if you have an image that you use over and over again, like for example, I have this, this object, the oval thing, and so if I want to, I can go to Gallery, and I can search anything I want. So like say I want to look up pi for fractions, and I'm going to use pi images a lot as I am doing my fractions. And so I'm going to search pi, and I'm going to look up pictures, and say I'm always going to use this pi. So I'm going to add it to my content, and that just means that it's now in my pictures. I don't have to go back and search for pi every single time I want this picture of pi. And so once you do that, then I'm gonna rename mine and just name it pi. And so that way, anytime I search my content, all I have to do is type pi, because I'm going to remember that word, and I can use it to easily insert it into my Smart Notebook. So if I wanted to insert it right here, I could easily do that, and then I could just go back to my gallery. I don't have to search. I can just go to my content and go to pi, and I can insert as much pi as I want. So that's good. And in order to back it up, you go back to your gallery, and you click on the picture, and then you're going to export it. And so I'm going to export it to my USB drive, so that if my computer crashes or something, I can have my pictures and content readily accessible, so I don't have to go back and search stuff. So my USB would be found under my PC, and it would be found right about here. And I would just save it, and I'll just save it as Pi and click save. And then that way I can just easily get it if something were to happen. So the next thing is creating themes. So in order to create a theme, you go to Format, Theme, and create a new theme. And so I'm going to make mine pretty and purple. So I'm going to go here and make it a pretty font. I like this one because it looks like handwriting. And I'm going to do purple. And then I'm going to make a background. So it's this little A over here. You're going to click on that. And then I'm going to do a pattern. And I'm going to do, let's see, that kind of hurts my eyes. Let's do polka dots. And I'm going to name this one, I'm going to name it, here it goes. I'm going to name it and I'm going to call it, I'm just going to save it under my name. And that's just going to be my theme. And so that way, if I want to, I can go over here to my Smart Notebook after I save it, and I can create a new page on my Smart Notebook, and I just click on it, and you go up here and you click Add New Page, and I can draw text, I can type my name, and say fractions. Okay, and then I can go to my pages, and I can add my theme to the page. Where did it go? Format, theme. Oh, it's under my content. I remember. You go to your gallery under my content. I put it under Laura Kinder, and then I just insert it on this current page. So anytime you do that, you can make your entire page this theme in one easy step. And then the last step is to link objects to websites and attachments and any other theme. And so I'm going to just link my first page to a website. And so the way I do that is I click on my mouse tool, and I'm just going to link this word to a page. And so I'm going to go to my Google, and I've already looked up fractions. And so this is a great page about fractions, and you can compare, add, convert, dividing. And so I'm going to copy that link and go back to my Smart Notebook, and I'm going to click the drop down, I'm going to link it, and I'm going to paste that link, and I'm going to do the whole object. So that way, anytime I click on the word fractions, it's going to pop up in its own page. And so that means my students can do the same thing easily. And so whenever I'm teaching my students, I don't have to go to my Google and look up that web address. I can just click on this and it'll easily go there instead of having to spend so much extra class time, because I know we can't waste any class time. And not only can you link it to pages, but you can link it to other documents, and you can link it to another page on the Smart Notebook. So a lot of the times you'll have teacher notes, and you can make a Smart Notebook page at the end and then link it to the end. So if I wanted to link this box to, let's say, my purple themed page, then I can do that, and I can click it, and whenever I click it, it's gonna link to that page. And so those are all the links, and those are all the different things that you can do with Smart Notebook.